Hello friends and welcome to this video as we look at data visualization with Power BI. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a pie chart or donut chart. My name is Mercy Consolator Kelo. Let's get started. So a pie chart or donut chart help you to display your data values as percentages of a whole. Each slice or pie represents a specific category that consists of the whole. So let's take a look at how we can create this here. We can come over to the visualization pane, select pie chart. Once we have it on our canvas, we then want the values. We look at average speed of answer, so we're changing this to average. We're looking at it by the agent and then resolved. So let's drag this from details to the legend. We can expand this a bit. Okay, and you have already your pie chart created. So formatting, let's come over here. We want to look at these details. Let's place them inside. And then for the label contents, let's look at category and percent of total. That will do. Okay. And once we have the categories placed inside there, we do not need the legend, so we can remove that. Okay. You can change colors of your slices if you're interested in doing that. But for that, I'm just going to leave it as is. Let's look at modifying these values a bit. Let's make them bold. Okay, and the rest can remain as is. We can now cross over to general. Then under here, we're modifying the title. Let's make it bold. Change the font style to Arial. And then for the effects, we can add a border. Okay. So the advantage that Power BI offers you when it comes to pie charts and donut charts is that it gives you the provision to drill down on your values. So here at the top, we are looking at the agent, but we can also look at resolved. So if we turn on the drill down value and then we go down, we have resolved. So it's showing you the average speed of answer in seconds by resolved. We drill back up, you have by agent. Okay, we can turn this off. Now, whatever we have done here for the pie chart, you can also do it for the donut chart. But I'm not going to go through the entire process again. Let me just copy and paste and then change the chart type to donut chart. There you have it. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.